Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Edisam Educators. In this video, we'll be looking at solving exercises relating to logarithmic equations. So this is lesson 7 on our series on logarithm. In case you missed our previous lesson, you can go back to them and watch them first of all. So we'll be looking at exercises relating to logarithmic equation. Just stay tuned. And before we go ahead, in case you're not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also like the video and share it to your friends. Then click on the bell icon so that you will always be notified whenever we upload a new video. So we are going over to the video directly. Stay tuned. So we'll be taking some logarithmic exercises. We're going to be solving some problems right now. So the first one we're solving is a log 27 base 3 plus 2 log 9 base 3 minus log 54 base 3. So how do we solve this? So this can actually be solved as this is addition, this is subtraction. We know that in log, we know that we can actually multiply. When you have addition, you can multiply. When you have subtraction, you divide. When they have a common base, the common base there is base 3, base 3, base 3. So first and foremost, we are going to write this as log 27 base 3 plus log 9 raised to power 2 base 3. We know that this 2 is the index that this 9 is carrying. So minus log 54 base 3. Okay, so since they have a common base 3, this is addition. You're going to multiply. That will be 27 times 9 raised to power 2. 9 raised to power 2 actually means 9 times 9. That is 9 multiplied by itself twice. Okay, that is 9 raised to power 2. Then over, we have subtraction here, so we divide by 54. Okay, so 27 can times 2 gives 54. So that means 27 and 54 is a 2. So at the end of the day, we have log 3, 9 times 9 is 81. 81 over 2, which leads you to log 81 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Applying the rule, this is division. So division is simplified as subtraction. The top minus the bottom, the numerator minus the denominator. So that is going to be log 81 base 3, log 81 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Okay, so this side is very easy to simplify. So we know that 81 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. So that 81 is actually 3 raised to power 4. So so this can be written as log 3 raised to power 4 minus log 2 base 3. So you move the 4 behind. So this can, you have 4 log 3 base 3. Yeah, we can't find log 2 to base 3. Whether we calculators or with tables, we can't do that. So what we will do to simplify this further, we're going to use base 10. We're going to use change of base, and we change of base, we're going to make use of is base 10. So you're going to say log 2 to base 10 all over. You're going to simplify this to log 3 to base 10. Okay, so for log 3 is when you take a number to the same base, the log of a number to the same base. In this case, you have taken log 3 to the same base 3. 3 to 3, log of 3 to base 3, it gives you 1. So at the end of the day, you have 4 times 1 minus log 2 to base 10 over log 3 to base 10. So this is equals to 4 minus log 2 to base 10. You can get that from your calculator or your tables. So log 2 is actually 0.301, although while log 3 is 0.4771. You can check that. You can actually check this from your calculator or your tables. So at the end of the day, you can divide. When you divide this, the answer you get is going to be 4 minus whatever you get from here. Definitely, the answer you get from here is not going to be up to 1. It's going to be 0 point something. Okay, so that will be 4 minus 0 point whatever you get. That will give you the final answer. Okay, so we've successfully simplified this problem. Okay, so I believe you understood how we actually solve this. So please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, it is subscribe button and click on the like button as well. It's the like button, and also click on the bell icon so that you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so right now we are going to be moving to our next example 2. So we're asked to simplify log 12.5 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. So yeah, these are the addition. Same base 5, same base 5. You have addition of 2 logs. So this is going to be treated, simplified as a division. So this is going to, sorry, not division, this is going to be simplified as multiplication. So you're going to have log, you have base 5. This is going to be 12.5 times 2. You have 12.5 times 2. Okay? So how 12.5 times 2 is 25. So you have log 25 base 5. So 25 is what? 5 times 5, which is the same thing as 5 raised to power 2. 25 is 5 times 5, which is the same thing as 5 raised to power 2. So you can actually replace 25 with 5 raised to power 2. So you have log base 5, 5 raised to power 2. The index can actually go behind the log. So this becomes 2 log 5 base 5. So at the end of the day, log 5 base 5 is 1.
1 times 2 is equals to 2. So final answer for that is 2. We've successfully simplified the problem. It's as easy as that. So we'll still move to another one. The third one, our third one is going to be okay. Log 13.5 is 3 minus log 10.5 to base 3. Okay, so we have log 13.5 base 3 minus log 10.5 still to base 3. So how are we going to simplify this? How do we simplify this? Still the same process. We are going to apply law of indices, whereby when you have subtraction of logs having the same base, you are going to divide. So this is going to be log 13.5 divided by 10.5 to base 3. So this is base 3, 13.5 divided by 10.5. Okay, that is what we have here. Okay, so let's simplify 13.5 divided by 10.5. Let's just take that 13.5 divided by 10.5. This is 1 decimal place. 13.5 is to 1 decimal place. This 10.5 is to 1 decimal place. So we can actually pull out the decimal and write it as 135 all over 105. So we're going to break this down. 5 in 13 is 2. Remember that 3. 5 in 35 is 7. 5 in 10 is 2. 5 in 21. 5 in 25 is 5. Sorry. 5 in 10 is 2. 5 in 5 is 1. Okay. So right now, what do we have? We have 21, we have 27. 3 can go in 21 and 3 can also go in 27. So 3 in 21 is 7. 3 in 27 is 9. 3 in 21 is 7. While 3 in 29 is 3 in 21 is 7. 3 in 27 is 9. So this can actually be written as log 9 over 7 to base 3. So this can, now to simplify, this is division. So we're going to subtract. It's going to be log 9 base 3 minus log 7 base 3. We're going to apply that rule of logarithm. So we have log 9 base 3 minus log 7 base 3. So 9 is a 3 raised to power 2. So you have log 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 and 9 are the same thing. So we're replacing 9 with 3 raised to power 2. 3 times 3 gives you 9, which is 3 raised to power 2 to base 3 minus log you can't simplify this. You can't find the log of 7 to base 3, but we can actually apply the fact. We can change your base. Log tables are given to base 10, not to any other base. So on your calculator, what you have is the logs are given to base 10. So we're going to change to base 10. So this to base 10 is going to be log 7. It's going to be log 7 to base 10 all over log 3 to base 10. So what do? You bring the 2 behind the log. This gives you 2 log 3 to base 3 minus log 7 to base 10 over log 3 to base 10. So with your calculator or your log tables, you can actually find the value of log 7 to base 10. So log 3 to base 3 is 1. 1 times 2. This gives you 2 minus log 7 to base 10 all over log 3 to base 10. Okay. Okay, so I don't have a calculator right now. So just find the value of log 7 to base 10 and the value of log 3 to base 10 and divide, then subtract. That's 2 minus that value, whatever it gives you. That is the final answer. Okay, so we're still going to try solve one more example. We're still going to solve one more example. So I hope you are enjoying the class. So please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So the last example we'll be taking is going to be the log of root 8 to base 2 plus the log of root 3 to base 3. So we're going to simplify the log of root 8 to base 2 plus the log of root 3 to base 3. So how are we going to solve this? So we know that 8 root 8 is the same thing as 8 raised to power half. And we know that 8 root 8 is the same thing as 8 raised to power half. Okay, and 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. 3 2's multiplied together, which is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. So we're going to replace this 8 with 2 raised to power 3. So we have power half outside. Okay. So which at the end of the day, we're going to multiply the powers. This is going to be 2 raised to power 3 over 2. Okay? And we know that root 3 is the same thing as 3 raised to power half. So we're going to replace, since root 8 is 2 raised to power 3 over 2, we're going to replace root 8 with 2 raised to power 3 over 2, and we're going to replace root 3 with 3 raised to power half. So we have, writing this, we have the log of 2 raised to power 3 over 2 base 2 plus log, replacing the root 3 with 3 raised to power half. 3 raised to power half base 3. Okay, so right now the powers can go behind the log. The powers can go behind the log. So we have 3 over 2 log 2 base 2 plus half log 3 base 3. So at the end of the day, this is log 3 base 3 is 1. Log 2 base 2 is also 1 as well. So we have log 2 base 2 is 1. So 1 times 3 over 2 is 3 over 2 plus log 3 base 3 is 1. 1 times half is half. So at the end of the day, 3 over 2 plus half is going to give you, this is 2, 3 plus 1, 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. So final answer for this question is actually 2. So I'm going to give you one more problem to solve, one more exercise. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I will give you some practice exercise to try your hands on. So when you try them, in case you have any difficulty, you can connect with me via my social media handles or in the comment section. So let's go ahead. So simplify log 13.5 simplify log x raised to the power 9 to base x. This is the first one, and the second one is going to be simplify log root 8 to base 2 to base 4 to base 4 plus log 32 to base 4 simplify log the log of root 8 to 4, and the third one is going to be simplify log root 81 to base 3. Okay, then the last one, so just take your time and simplify, practice these exercises, use them for practice. And if you have an issue, just connect with me and I will be glad to render you the assistance that you actually need. So this is the first part of solving exercises that has to do with logarithm. So in the next video, we're still going to solve exercises. So don't avail yourself of that video. Don't miss it for any reason. So at this point, bye, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. You like the video, click on the bell icon so that you always be notified whenever I upload any new video. Thank you so much, and bye.
So thank you for being a part of this class, being a part of this lesson, and I hope you will actually enjoy the lesson. So please make sure you subscribe and you like the video. In case you have any questions, you have any comments, drop it in the comment section, and also you can always connect with me via my social media handles. Okay, you can connect with me either via WhatsApp or via via WhatsApp or Instagram. Through those channel, any of those channel, you can actually connect with me. So watch out for the second part of this lesson on solving the exercises relating to logarithmic equations. Okay, so just watch out for part 2. And so so um so thank you so much. So as you are going to join us, so